Okay, welcome back. So in this lecture we will see how we can hide the user input. So let me clear this and create a new file. Touch hide input.sh. Open this file here. I can write hatch /bin/s. Now I already told you in the last one, like we have different option to like ask for the input. Okay, so now we will use the second thing. So like what we will do is we will simultaneously will ask and like print and ask like this. Suppose I want username and password in this case. So what I will do is read p. So in this case p is what p is saying is like it will asking for this and will print this. Suppose let me show you username, and here I will I will type the variable name. So let me put user. Let's put where. Okay. Same way I will do for the password. Whatever I will like, I can write enter password or anything I want. I will write password. Okay, so what it will do is it will take username and password both, but like when I will write this p in this p before I will write s. So whatever it will do is it will hide the password. Let me show you. Hide input. So let me write. So see, here I am writing username, so there is no issue. But when I will write password, suppose I am writing 1 2 3 4, you can't see anything 1 2 3 4 written here. And when I will type enter, this program complete. But suppose I want to see like if like it have stored my username and password or not. So I will simply echo my username is $user variable and my password. Okay, leave it. Okay, so let me show you this will work. Username I will write Vivek. Password I will write 1 2 3 4. So my username is Vivek and my password is 1 2 3 4. So it is overlapping. So what I will do is I will echo simply echo Vivek 1 2 3 4. You can't see it. My username is Vivek and my password is 1 2 3 4. So that's how it works. I think you have understood this invisible password thing. Now next what we will do is we will see how we can take input in array. Suppose I need more than one name. So how we can take input in the array and how we can print all those names. Okay. So let's meet in the next one.